Hi, I am Rama. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare puliodarai or tamarind rice and lemon rice. Normally, children like these dishes. If sudden guest comes to our house, it is easy to prepare. It is very handy food for traveling or picnic. Even leftover rice can be used for these dishes. It is very delicious and nutritious too. Ingredients for the puliodarai or tamarind rice: 2 tablespoons of dhania seeds, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, half tablespoon of urad dal, 3 dried red chilies, half teaspoon of black pepper or gol mirch, few methi seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 teaspoon of til or sesame seeds, 1 small piece of adrak or ginger, few curry leaves. Half cup of raw rice, few curry leaves, 6 tablespoons of til or sesame oil, small lemon size of tamarind. Put the tamarind in the hot water and squeeze it. Other ingredients for the puliodarai or tamarind rice: 1 tablespoon of groundnut, 15 to 16 pieces of cashew nuts, half teaspoon of white til or sesame, half teaspoon of mustard, half teaspoon of chana dal, half teaspoon of urad dal, pinch of rock salt, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of haldi or tamarind, half teaspoon of hing, a small piece of jaggery. Wash the rice and pressure cook it and make sure it should not be overcooked. Now we are going to see how to prepare the puliodarai powder. Keep the pan on the low flame. Add all the ingredients of the puliodarai powder one by one and roast it till it becomes golden brown. Add chana dal and urad dal. Add methi seeds. Add black pepper. Add jeera. Add dhania. After adding dhania seeds, add few curry pattas. Add red chilies. Add black til or sesame seeds. Add chopped ginger and fry. Place it on the tissue paper and allow it to cool and grind it. Now our puliodarai powder is ready. From this, you keep 1 tablespoon of puliodarai powder separately. We can even get ready-made puliodarai powders from the shops, but freshly ground powders will give good aroma and taste to our recipe. For preparing puliodarai, keep the pan on the low flame. Pour sesame or til oil. Add mustard. Add chana dal. Add urad dal. Add hing. Add groundnut. Add chopped cashew nuts. becomes golden brown. Add haldi or turmeric. Add jaggery. And mix it and allow it to boil for few minutes. Slightly roast the white til or white sesame. Add the roasted white til or white sesame. Add some hing, pinch of rock salt, salt to taste, few curry leaves, mix it, add puliyodare powder, mix well and keep it in the flame for few minutes. Add the cooked rice and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of puliyodare powder. Mix it well. Now add few more curry leaves. And transfer this to the serving bowl. Our tasty, delicious puliyodare is ready. Ingredients for the lemon rice: half cup of raw rice, 1/3 cup of chopped coconut, 1/4 cup of cooking oil, few curry leaves, 2 pieces of green chilies, small piece of adrak or ginger, 1 small piece of lemon and few coriander leaves. Other ingredients for the lemon rice: 2 tablespoons of groundnut, 15 pieces of cashew nut, half teaspoon of mustard, half teaspoon of chana dal, half teaspoon of urad dal, pinch of rock salt, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, half teaspoon of hing. For lemon rice, grind the chopped coconut, green chilies, small piece of ginger, few curry leaves and few coriander leaves. Now coconut mix is ready for lemon rice. Wash the rice and pressure cook it and make sure it should not be overcooked. Let us see how to prepare the lemon rice. Keep the deep pan on the low flame. Add cooking oil. Add mustard seeds. Add chana dal. Add urad dal. Add groundnuts. Add chopped cashew nuts. Add small red chilli and fry it till it becomes golden brown. Add hing. or haldi. Add few curry leaves and fry. Add lemon rice coconut mix. Mix it. Add rock salt. Add salt to taste. Few curry leaves. Few coriander leaves and mix it. Now add cooked rice. Mix it well. Add coriander leaves. Mix it. Now switch off the flame. Squeeze the lemon. And mix it well. Transfer this to the serving bowl. Now garnish with few coriander leaves. Now our tasty nutritious lemon rice is ready. Now our mini tiffin or lunch is ready. Have it with chutney, karvadam or pappad or chips. Hope you enjoyed this video and recipes. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. We will see you with more recipes in upcoming videos.